Mr. Heffner, this is a training package to train in basic and advanced hydraulics, isn't it?
It looks a bit like our training packages that we have sold for many years. You'll find a lot of our elementary components of training packages. But this one is specifically made to teach mobile hydraulics, such as you find on tractors or excavators.
Why don't you take a tractor or excavator itself for training?
Good question. We have taken the important system out of these vehicles and put them onto the profile plate, where they are accessible to students for experimentation and measuring.
That looks pretty complex. Can you give me a rough explanation, please?
There are two circuits. On the left is the working system, and on the right, the steering system. Here is a pilot stage which controls the main stage that is driven with high pressure. The main stage controls the cylinder, which would be the lifting cylinder on a tractor or a cylinder on the arm of an excavator shovel. But in this case, the pilot stage and the main stage are used to control a hydraulic motor, which could be the winch or the drive shaft of a tractor.
Working system. And what is this?
This is a hydrostatic steering system. Here we have the steering wheel, which divides the flow of oil onto the left and right onto the shock valve. The shock valve absorbs pressure peaks and controls the steering cylinder. The steering cylinder here is fitted into a load simulator. Via this bypass we can set a load for the cylinder so that many different load situations can be set and studied. We can clearly show how the shock valve relieves pressure peaks when the cylinder is fully loaded.
Whoa, all those tubes. There must be a lot of oil in there. Is it all from one pump?
No. In this system there are two pumps. We have a pressure-limited constant displacement pump used for the steering circuit, and a variable displacement pump with a load sensing system for the working circuit.
A very interesting system. What is the target group? Who would use it for training?
Since the system has a very generic design, the principles can be transferred to different branches. So the target groups are agricultural, material handling, civil engineering and forestry industry.
That looks like a great product for a very interesting target group. Thank you very much.